guys, welcome back. It's Jay, and we are watching some videos about some stupid cats. So, let's start. We're gonna start. Here we go. Watch it. Okay, just kind of some. That's a freaking spider or something. Oh my gosh! Do you see this? Do you see this here? Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh! Okay, that's kind of getting stupid. Oh no. Watch this, oh no. We could be creepy, guys, ready? The freak? That was funny. Oh my god! Bop! Oh my gosh! Why are you scared of that? Watch this. Oh, what the freak is that? Watch this. What the freak is that, man? Jeez, woman. Okay. Oh, why are you so scared of that? Attack it! What the? What is that thing? Wait. Did y'all see the thing? What is that? Oh. Uh-oh.